Okay, so the project today is we're going to get our trim on the corners of the greenhouse, as we talked about in the greenhouse video. We'll leave a link to that video down below. But before winter really sets in, we've got a really bad windstorm coming tonight. We just want to go ahead and get this done. So pretty simple. I'll see if I can give you a profile of that. That's the trim we're going to be using. And we've got our long screws, and we've got our impact of a 1/4 inch nut driver. So the first thing we have to do in preparation is cut this ridge cap back. Because the way we did this with the humps going lengthwise, the ridge cap is down flush with those humps. So we're going to cap all of that. So I'm going to cut that off real quick. And then my plan, I don't know how it'll work, but my plan is to make a cut right where the angle is going to change, like that. And then fold that such that the top one overlaps like that. And if you keep your finger in here, you can get a pretty good fold. And I think that's going to work well for me. So now I'm going to take my gloves off so I can actually work. And we're going to screw through the high spot of our metal. About like that. We're probably not going to put too many screws in it just yet until we get it cut a little bit more to make sure we're happy with how it's coming out, in case we have to adjust anything. So we're going to make another cut up here. And just be really careful when you're not wearing gloves, because this stuff is sharp once you cut it. And we're just going to continue to screw this a little bit, same way. And then my plan is to fold this one down, and then I'll tuck the other one up under it. So I'm gonna cut it and bend it, and then I'll straighten it back out, if that makes sense. And you'll see as we go. So if that one folds under like that, the next one's gonna come up and go under this. So we're gonna leave that. We're gonna fit our other side. So now what we're going to do, I'll get out of your way a little bit here. We're just going to cut this off somewhere right about here. And get rid of that piece. And we're going to tuck that up under that one like that. And ta-da. So now we're just going to go ahead and get this all screwed off. So we'll probably fast forward through a lot of this. And we'll come back and show you when we're done. Alright, so as you saw, we've got all of our trim on, and we didn't screw every rib. We basically screwed wherever it looked like it needed it to lay flat. It's pretty strong. It doesn't, it doesn't move a lot. So any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.